If you're tired of the same old no experience needed remote jobs that end up being customer service, I found some pretty cool opportunities I think you'll really like because you won't be tied to the phone all day dealing with customers. So we're just going to jump right into these jobs. The first one I'm sharing comes to us from a company called Curry. I've never heard of them before, but they are a legitimate company. They were founded in 2018, and they provide an on-demand fleet network logistics platform for the construction and industrial supply chain industries. So this job is for a service operations representative. It is full-time remote anywhere within the United States, and I'm going to take a quick peek at the application because they offer a little bit more information on this job application. First of all, they ask how many years of relevant work experience do you have, and they have the options of 0 to 4 years, so really they're not requiring related work experience. They want to know in which time zone you live, and they tell us you'll work from 5 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Time Zone hours. You don't have to live in the Eastern Time Zone, just translate your local hours to those hours. And they tell us they'll pay you $19 per hour for this job. So this looks like a really easy work from home job. It's kind of a mix between scheduling and dispatching. In this job, you'll facilitate deliveries from booking to successful drop-off and everything in between, provide best-in-class support for customers and drivers via chat and phone, communicate with pickup and drop-off contacts to ensure deliveries are completed successfully and smoothly, and provide operational feedback and identify pain points for the team to optimize logistics. And all they're asking for is for you to have a fun personality, a positive attitude, eagerness to learn. You have strong critical thinking and problem-solving skills, excellent communication skills, top-notch customer service skills, and you're proficient in G Suite. So moving on to our next opportunity, it comes to us from Owens & Minor. This job is for Procurement Associate Level 3. It's full-time remote anywhere within the United States. And what you do is act as a primary support person for inventory supply analysts. You'll research vendor product availability, investigate carrier status, as well as follow up on the inter-branch orders and DC purchase orders with possible receiving issues. You might also research items considered at risk for new businesses in all locations, and expedite products and make the appropriate updates to orders and inventory notes. You'll update the supplier backorder and cancellation detail, review the Salesforce application cases on a daily basis, provide information for customers' backorder reports, and assist with ensuring and processing ADM, and assist with entering and processing ADM returns to the suppliers. So that pretty much sums up what you're going to do on a regular basis. They have more details. If you're interested, go ahead and read through the details. And to qualify, they prefer, but they don't require, they prefer you have a bachelor's degree and 0 to 2 years inventory supply experience, or any combination of education and experience to meet the above requirements. You're comfortable dealing with large, demanding customers with complex distribution networks. You're able and willing to develop relationships with customers, both internal and external. You can multitask, think and act strategically, work effectively in a constantly changing, fast-paced environment, and you're able to build strong collaborative relationships. And you also need to be proficient with Excel and other Microsoft Office applications and data visualization tools. And I saw on this job description, as we scroll up a little bit, they tell us they'll pay you $22 per hour. So our last easy work from home job comes to us from Columbia College. So we're looking at their careers page, and the job I'm interested in is the CRM coordinator position. They have quite a few other remote opportunities. Take a look and see if any of them interest you, but the one I'm sharing is the CRM coordinator job. So this is a full-time remote position anywhere within the United States. I did not see any location restrictions anywhere on this job description, and they tell us right here they'll pay you $20.20 per hour. So this is a very administrative heavy kind of position where you'll provide administrative and technical support for the customer relationship management platform. You'll assist with data entry, reporting system documentation, and user support to ensure the CRM operates efficiently and effectively, and work closely with the enrollment system administrators to maintain data integrity, support end users, and enhance the CRM-driven communication and processes that improve the student recruitment, enrollment, and engagement experience. So yeah, you do a whole bunch of data entry, admin work, maybe even a little customer service kind of work. But don't worry, because this job is not all customer service. They want you to have strong attention to detail and accuracy in data handling. You have excellent communication, customer service, and organizational skills, and you're able to learn and apply new technologies and processes quickly. You have experience working with databases, CRM tools, or Microsoft Excel. You can work collaboratively as part of a technical and operational team, and you have demonstrated ability to manage multiple tasks and meet deadlines. You're fluent in English, you're comfortable using a computer as well as Microsoft Office products and database systems. You're also comfortable using web-based technologies. Now they have some preferred qualifications, and whenever I see preferred, that tells me they're just preferred, they're not required, so read through these preferences. If you meet any of them, make sure to include them on your resume. They'd like you to have an associate's degree or equivalent combination of education and experience, and they prefer but they don't require. They prefer you have experience in administrative support, data entry, or technical systems. So that does it for this one. In fact, we just went over a nice little selection of work-from-home jobs that really don't require much, if any, related work experience. Hopefully one of these jobs works out for you. And if you're looking for an afternoon, evening shift work-from-home job, check out this video right here. Thank you so much for visiting. I truly appreciate your support, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.